What does it feel like to handle a Ferrari? When you first set your eyes on those iconic, alluring red curves, you become frozen in absolute awe. You smile with childlike wonder as you discover astonishing details. Inescapable curiosity pulls you in closer as your fingertips take you on an intriguing adventure. At every touch, you marvel at the sheer craft and exquisite engineering. Fascination turns to fantasizing. In your mind, you hear the engine roar. You begin to dream of the perfect drive. Twists and turns as you undulate through mountain roads. Downshifting as you race through chicanes and hairpins, accelerating forever across deserted highways at sunset. And all this from simply building a LEGO Technic Ferrari Daytona SP3. Pure pride and joy, thanks to this magnificently engineered masterpiece. Get closer to that real Ferrari experience. LEGO Technic Ferrari Daytona SP3. Build for real.